Today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom kibbeh. Kibbeh are football-shaped croquettes, traditionally made out of ground lamb or beef, herbs, spices, and bulgur. Popular all over the Middle East, kibbeh is the national dish of Lebanon and Syria. Although slightly on the labor-intensive side, making the kibbeh casing and filling is not difficult, and it's well worth the effort. Today, we'll make our kibbeh filling using a blend of cremini mushrooms and ground meat. Start off by heating some olive oil in a very hot pan. Add minced onion and sauté the onion until soft. Here we have a 50-50 mixture of ground beef and lamb. Go ahead and add this to the sautéed onions, followed by some finely chopped cremini mushrooms. Replacing some of the ground meat with mushrooms adds flavor and moisture to the dish while also elevating the health and sustainability profile of the dish. Continue to cook the mushrooms with the onions until all are golden brown. Add some finely chopped nuts. You could use pistachios, walnuts, or pine nuts, but today I'm using walnuts. Next, add the kibbeh spice mix. You can buy this pre-made kibbeh spice blend, or you can make it yourself with the recipe included in this video. Turn off the heat and add some sumac for a nice tart flavor. Then add some salt. Set this aside while you make the casing. Place the onion, meat, and mushrooms in a food processor and pulse it until it has a paste-like consistency. To this, add 2 more teaspoons of our kibbeh spice mix, cornstarch, and salt. Here, I have bulgur that has been soaked in hot water for 20 to 30 minutes and then squeezed completely dry. Add the bulgur and pulse together until the mixture is homogeneous. Refrigerate for a half an hour to 3 hours. Now we're ready to form our kibbeh. Set a bowl of water in your workstation for your hands to prevent the sticking. Form the casing mixture into golf ball-sized pieces. You can use an ice cream scoop that you dip into the water to prevent it from sticking. Then roll them into smooth balls in your hands. Now you can see where kibbeh gets its name. It means to form into a ball in Arabic. Using a wet index finger, insert your finger into the center of the golf ball and form a cup-like structure. Fill this cup-like structure with the mushroom and meat mixture. Then close the casing around the filling. Form the kibbeh into football-shaped croquettes. Fry the kibbeh in 350-degree Fahrenheit oil in batches to avoid cooling the oil temperature. Drain on a cooling rack and serve hot. And there you have it, mushroom kibbeh. Delicious as a shared appetizer, a side dish, or as part of a meze table. These crunchy and hearty mushroom kibbeh are fantastic served with salted yogurt and a garnish of sumac and mint leaves. Enjoy!